Hey everybody, this is Matt at Kraken Sports. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and demo video of the Kraken Hydra 1500. So as with all the Kraken lights, the 1500 comes in this nice padded case, and everything you need to use and operate the light is inside. You also have some Kraken swag in black, some Kraken swag in white, directions, very helpful, don't throw them out, read them. You have your standard YS mount, charging cable, of course the light itself, double O-rings. The light is a double O-ring seal, so you have two spares, you also have two on the light. You want them to be lightly greased, you don't want to over grease them, and you don't want to under grease them, just enough to make the O-ring shiny. You have this little light gathering nubbin, which I will go into in a little bit, and of course you have the battery, which I already have pre-installed, but I'll pop that out and show it to you right here. So all the Kraken batteries now are Usbc charging, so you'll plug the cable that comes with it straight into the battery itself, and you can charge it that way. You can use any USB-C cable, it doesn't matter, it'll get the job done. To mount the battery in the light, you want the negative side down. Here real quick, you can see your double O-ring seal. Thread the light head back on. And then to turn on, you have your 2-second hold. It'll come on in flood mode. And also you'll see this indicator light on the back here. Right now it's green, which means the battery level is 30 to 80% charged. If it were blue, that is 80 to 100% charged. Solid red is 10 to 30. Flashing red is below 10. So it comes on in flood mode, you hold for 1 second, it'll go into spot mode, hold for 1 second, it'll go into red, and then hold again back to white. Now, while you are in white mode, if you want to go into a focus mode, you can double press, and now you're in focus mode. So what this means is if you take another light, or I'll use a light for now, but usually you'd use a strobe. When the light senses your strobe firing, it will auto shut off. So I'll show you that here. So you can see as soon as the light gathering port, the burst port right here, senses the other light, it shuts off. So that is what this little light gathering nubbin is for. It helps gather extra light, so it makes this a little more sensitive. So you'll just plug that straight into the burst port here, and you are good to go with a focus light. So what that's helpful for is not having your focus light show up in your images. Quick double press, and you are back into your standard flood mode. One more cool feature of this light, if we scroll through and go to the red mode, now if you double press, you're in strobe mode. So what this is you can plug a fiber optic cable in here, your light will go in there, and you can see it'll flash really quick. Double press, and you're back out of it. And 1 second hold, back to flood mode, 2-second hold, and you are off. And there we go. Quick little demo video, Kraken Hydra 1500.